So winter's finally over and we are prepping to do the cabin build. If you guys know, if you've been following the channel at all, none of this was here like 2 years ago. This whole road, that house over there, everything, this was all woods. There's nothing here. And so first thing was getting the road put in. Did that, and then as it progressed more and more, I had some more and more work done on my lot here. The way that we were able to kind of do this was kind of going in on it with some family members. We bought the land, raw land, and then divided it between myself and 2 other family members. And we each sectioned ourselves a roughly 1 acre each lot. And as you can see, I'm pretty far away from the road. That means I am probably not going to get power in here, which honestly I don't really want, because as we all know, electricity prices are not going down anytime soon. And my whole goal of this is try to live more off the grid and become more self-sufficient and less reliant on power and internet and computers. Bit of an oxymoron, because I do work from home on a computer as a network engineer currently, although I'd love to just make sheds. So anyway, some of the nice things that attracted me to this lot are that it was in the country and it had some trees on it. I have a small sawmill and I plan on milling these logs over here into some of the materials I use for my house. There's just a little fire pit here. One of the big things also that I was happy to find is that there's a lot of water around here. That's why you see that pond over there. Basically the landscape guy came along and put in drainage all around the perimeter and diverted the water through the pond under the road. So next big thing about this lot that I scored with is that we were able to find a good place to put this well. Let me see if I can open it with one hand while I'm filming and not drop my phone in there. Oh, that's heavy. So it's still frozen right now, but oh, put that back after. Still frozen, but as you can see, it filled up. So that's 12 feet deep. There's probably, I don't know how many hundreds of gallons in there, but it's a lot, because they dug around the whole perimeter of this thing another probably 8 or 10 feet and laid stone in there and all that. So it's you know, big perimeter of water under that as well. So anyway, this is what we're looking at right now. I'm gonna do a 24 by 32 little cabin. We got the water line 6 feet underground running here to the house slab. In order to save money, I got some buddies. We're gonna do the slab ourselves. And my brother, he's a builder, so he said he's gonna get the thing framed up for me in no time. So working with family, working with friends is the only way I could make this happen. So anyway, at first I was gonna do a biodigester, but figured, hey, it's come this far, I might spend the extra money and just get an actual septic put in. So that'll get put in after the house is, you know, framed up, and at least after the concrete's in for the slab. That'll be the leach field right there. So yeah, this is coming along, folks. Hopefully you guys subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to be doing a lot of sawmilling and building, and actually gonna have a mini farm here, lots of wildflowers and some other stuff. So keep in touch. Let me know what you guys think, comments and all that. That's gonna be some firewood right there. So yeah, keep me posted, folks. Thank you.